Welcome to Unlimited Migration. Are you planning your next international adventure? Before you book that flight, there's one crucial thing you might be overlooking: travel insurance. Some countries mandate it, while others strongly recommend it. But is it just another bureaucratic requirement, or does it truly protect you from costly surprises? Today, I'll break down which countries require travel insurance, why you need it, what it covers, the different types of travel insurance, essential do's and don'ts when using your travel insurance. Stick around until the end so you don't make a costly mistake on your next trip. Let's start with the countries that won't let you in without valid travel insurance. Some nations strictly mandate travel insurance as part of their visa requirements. Others have specific conditions like COVID-19 coverage. Here's a quick breakdown. First, the Schengen Area in Europe. If you're visiting countries like France, Germany, or Italy on a Schengen visa, travel insurance is mandatory. Your policy must cover at least 30,000 euros in medical expenses, including repatriation. Next up, Cuba. You must have travel insurance that includes medical coverage to enter Cuba. If you arrive without proof, you'll be forced to buy a local policy at the airport. In the UAE, especially Dubai and Abu Dhabi, travel insurance is mandatory for visa applicants, particularly for long-term or work visas. Thailand recently introduced a travel insurance requirement for certain visas, ensuring travelers have medical coverage for emergencies. Other notable mentions include Russia, Turkey, Ecuador for Galapagos visits, and Egypt. They may require proof of travel insurance depending on your nationality and visa type. Pro tip: always check the latest requirements before you travel. These rules can change quickly. Even if travel insurance isn't required, getting it is still a smart move. Here's why. Medical emergencies. A hospital stay abroad can cost thousands of dollars. In the US, a simple doctor's visit can be over $200, and a hospital stay could hit $10,000 or more. Lost or delayed luggage. Airlines lose over 25 million bags per year. Imagine landing in Paris and realizing your bags are in Hong Kong. Travel insurance helps cover replacement essentials. Trip cancellations and interruptions. If you have to cancel due to illness or a family emergency, travel insurance reimburses your non-refundable expenses. Flight delays and cancellations. If your flight is delayed overnight, your insurance can cover hotel stays and meals. Emergency evacuations and repatriation. If you need to be flown home for urgent medical care, the costs can skyrocket into six figures. Travel insurance ensures you're not stuck with the bill. Not all policies are created equal, but a good travel insurance plan should cover medical emergencies, hospitalization, doctor visits, prescriptions, emergency evacuation and repatriation, trip cancellations and interruptions, lost, stolen, or delayed baggage, flight delays and cancellations, personal liability if you accidentally cause damage or injury. What's not usually covered? Pre-existing medical conditions unless you get special coverage, risky activities like skydiving or extreme sports unless added, travel to high-risk destinations with travel warnings, incidents due to intoxication or drug use. There are different types of travel insurance depending on your needs. Single-trip insurance, best for one-time vacations, covers you for a specific trip. Multi-trip annual insurance. If you travel frequently, this covers multiple trips per year. Medical-only travel insurance covers just medical expenses, ideal for those on a budget. Comprehensive travel insurance covers medical, trip cancellations, baggage, and delays, best for peace of mind. Specialized travel insurance for extreme sports, cruises, or business trips. Pro tip: if you use a credit card to book your trip, check if it includes free travel insurance. Some premium cards offer solid coverage. Knowing how to use your travel insurance properly can save you time, money, and stress. Here are the do's and don'ts. Do: read your policy carefully before you travel. Know what's covered. Keep digital and printed copies of your policy and emergency contact numbers. Call your insurer ASAP if you need medical attention. Many require pre-approval. Save all receipts and documentation for claims. File claims promptly. Some policies have a deadline. Don't assume everything is covered. Always check exclusions. Wait until after your trip to report issues. Most insurers require immediate notice. Forget to check your deductibles. This is what you'll have to pay first before coverage kicks in. Engage in risky activities without checking if they're covered. So, is travel insurance really worth it? Absolutely. Whether it's required or not, it can save you from massive expenses and unexpected headaches. Don't let a medical emergency, lost luggage, or canceled flight ruin your dream trip. Question for you: have you ever had to use travel insurance? Share your experience in the comments like this video. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Unlimited Migration for more expert travel tips every week. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.